Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my curly wash day routine for the summer on my natural tresses. With that being said, I'm super excited to be trying out some new products. Yes, I am a product junkie, but these products are from a brand called Ft.Kerotin. One of the reasons I'm super excited about these products is Ft.Kerotin hair care brand supports all hair journeys with all plant ingredients that focuses on improving hair growth and repairing damaged hair. And also a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. So they were kind enough to send me a nice little package including their shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, styling gel, intense growth drops, and hair growth vitamins. So I'm starting off on old hair, which always gets super dry and dull looking. So I like to just fully saturate my hair to loosen up my curls. Along my natural hair journey, I've always had and continue to struggle retaining moisture. Hence why I don't shampoo my hair often due to some shampoos that can strip and dry my hair out. But after a few weeks of just cold washing, my scalp definitely needs a good wash. So now I'm going to start off with the Freshening shampoo, which contains high quality ingredients such as keratin, biotin, and sea kelp extract, which are all ideal for hair that's prone to shedding. The Freshening shampoo unclogs hair follicles for better absorption of hair growth, delivering nutrients to the scalp and strands to strengthen and prevent hair loss. With a combination of natural nourishing ingredients such as rosemary, coconut, peppermint, and argan oil that helps to deeply clean and promote healthy hair and scalp. It is also safe for color treated hair. What I did notice about the shampoo was that it really cleansed my scalp and got all the buildup off. It also had a really nice lather, so a little goes a long way. But I would prefer it to have a little bit more slip, being that my hair does lack a lot of moisture. What I will say is it had such a nice peppermint minty smell, and it just made my scalp feel so clean and nice and refreshed. Next, I'm using the Ft.Kerotin Freshening Conditioner, which is designed to promote growth and thickness, hydrate over-processed hair, rebuild hair strands, reduce frizz, and seal the cuticle to preserve the moisture. This is exactly what my hair needs, being that I struggle retaining moisture. I love that the key ingredients contain keratin, avocado oil, aloe barbadensis. This is a very lightweight conditioner with a light cologne scent, not too much, but it kind of reminds me of the Axe deodorant. But needless to say, it has a great smell. One of the things I loved about it the most is that it went onto my hair so smooth. It was very easy for me to finger detangle, as you can see right here. And some conditioners just don't do it. They don't have to slip, and you are literally struggling to detangle your hair. But I did notice that I had to apply a little more than I normally would, and also wet my hair as I was doing it, which made it much easier for my tangles to just melt. And whenever I'm conditioning my hair, I always focus on my ends, not so much the scalp. I recommend this if you have more of a dry scalp, then you can apply the conditioner, but my ends are always super dry, and we know that our ends are the oldest part of our hair. And also I focus on my most problematic area, which is towards the middle of my hair and the back. It's just always super dry, so I made sure to really apply an extra amount of conditioner, really to soften up and hydrate those areas that need it the most. I always like to section my hair off, especially when I'm conditioning, because I have really thick curly hair. You don't ever want to just smack conditioner on your hair without sectioning it off, because you want to make sure that every strand is being coated. Usually after I condition, I always go in with a nice massage, because that really helps to stimulate your blood and get the scalp moving and pumping and all that good stuff. And as I was doing it, I noticed a nice minty, soothing, calming effect to my scalp, and I love that feeling. It just makes my scalp feel so clean, and just, I don't know how to explain it. It just makes my scalp feel amazing. Directions say leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes and rinse with cold water, being it helps to close the cuticles and seal in the moisture. Next, I'll be using the Intense Growth Drops. This is a hair growth stimulator that helps increase hair density and blocks the hormone DHT, which is related to severe hair loss. Containing green tea extract and peppermint oil to increase blood flow to hair follicles to combat hair loss and thinning. Let me just tell you, I have never seen like growth drops in this color or consistency, and I thought it was super cool. But not to mention the smell. Oh my god, it's so nice. A lot of people don't really like that minty smell, but it's so sweet but yet minty, and oh my god, it felt amazing going on my scalp. Directions say apply about 25 drops evenly across the scalp, or if you have a struggle area, you can just focus on that And after that, I just like to give myself a nice massage to work it through, and that's that. Now onto styling. I'm just going to stay in the shower because it's easier, plus the steam always helps the products to absorb better. So I'm starting off with the curly leave-in conditioner, which is also Curly Girl Method approved, period. This cream is formulated with shea and mango butter to restore your natural curls, helping to detangle, nourish, and define curly and wavy hair. It has a very nice whipped consistency that melted into my hair with a light citrus tangerine scent, which I really liked a lot. Again, whenever I'm applying any product, I like to section my hair off because I don't want to miss a spot. And as soon as I was putting this on, you can just look at my curls. Not only are they defined, but they look super hydrated, they look shiny, and I'm just here for it. I love when my curls clump together, and I love the fact that I don't have to like finger coil them, and it just does it itself. So I'm just gonna take a generous amount and focus on each section of my hair until my hair is fully coated, and then we'll move on to the next step. Following up with the styling gel, which I was super excited about because I usually stick with just one staple product, but I love the fact that it contains 6 natural oils. It also contains aloe, which my hair absolutely loves, silk amino acids, and hydrolyzed keratin. It's a bit looser in consistency, so I was a bit worried being that I like thick products, especially gels, to really maintain frizz and give my hair the definition, but it went on so smooth. And again, the gel also has a nice citrusy tangerine scent, which is a plus because I love when my hair smells great. I could already tell that it was going to give me that hold that it needed, because even though it looked like it wasn't as thick in consistency, as it went on, you could feel that it had weight to it. And baby, these curls are out to play. Frizz wear, I already know this is going to be a bomb wash and go. I could already tell. But we're going to scrunch. And what I like to do is, normally I like to let my hair air dry, especially during the summertime. You know, I try to stay away from heat. And I noticed that when I diffuse my hair gets really dry and frizzy, and it basically just defeats the point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my hair air dry for a little bit, and I'll come back and show you guys my final results. I love, oh my God, I just cannot believe this. This is amazing. Like, the way my hair looks right now is just so bomb. It's the first time my wash and go has ever looked this bomb on first day. Even that curly girl vibe. I really love the way these products worked for my hair. But one of the last perks about these products is the hair growth vitamins that they have given me. One thing about me is I'm really like a natural person and I prefer no supplements. But lately, over the last couple of months, I've been struggling with thinning around my hairline. And these vitamins help with thickening the hair as well as shedding. They contain biotin and folic acid. They are vegan, drug-free, cruelty-free, and sugar-free. They provided me with 2 bottles, 60 capsules in each, which is enough for 2 months. So I'm really excited to give it a shot, even though, you know, I was opposed to it. But it can't hurt being that these are all natural. And lastly, I am so hyped about these products. I feel like I finally found a whole method for my wash day routine, not only for summertime, but for the colder months as well. I am so impressed with these products. My favorite product of all is the actual drops and the gel. The gel is just, I don't know, I may have to cheat on my other gel, but I just love the way my hair feels. It looks defined. It's just amazing what products can do to your hair, especially when you're using natural products and not using things that contain parabens and silicones that actually hurt and dry our hair out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in getting some keratin in your life to repair, regrow, and get your hair back the way it needs to be, make sure that you check the link in the description. I'll put it there for you guys to shop. And I also have a 15% coupon code to save you a couple of coins as well. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. Again, Kerotin, thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. And with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.